Today's video is regarding HP and Y Pro 6400 series all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup or the wireless setup of this printer using your MacBook or Mac operating system. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So go to the MacBook and open the HP Smart app. You can download the app from the App Store and open this app. So in the app, when you open the HP Smart app, we need to add the printer. For that we need to click on the plus button, which is just on the top right side. Click on that. It will display HP and Y Pro 6400 series printer setup. Click on the printer. Click on the continue. On the next screen, check if this is the correct Wi-Fi. Click on continue button. It will automatically connect the printer with the Wi-Fi network. On the next screen we see it says press the flashing information button on your printer. So this is the touch button, just click once. So once we click on the info button, it will continue the setup process. But still we have to finish all the process so that we can use it properly. You get a message, it displays it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Click on the continue button and click on continue again. Here you can sign in or create a HP account, or you can skip the warranty and account activation. So it will confirm again if you want to skip it. If you want, you can send link to other devices or you can skip it. So setup is complete. As we can see, it is displayed there. So we just wait for it to be added in our MacBook. So here we get success, printer is installed, and you can now print to this printer. So click OK. The next screen we see it says printer setup is complete, let's print. So click on the print button and it will give you the confirmation. Here on the top of the screen you have to find your printer. So that is NY 6400 series, and click on the print button and wait for the printer to print the page. Also we can see the printer is available in our HP Smart app. Overall I can say it's very easy to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home and office, and then you can do the wireless work. Thanks for watching.